హాయ్ ఐ యామ్ అరుణ మల్లా. వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ మా బడి మా గుడి. ఈరోజు మా మనవడు క్రాంప్టన్ ఓజోన్ 55 డిజర్ట్ ఎయిర్ కూలర్ క్రాంప్టన్ అన్బాక్సింగ్ చేస్తాడు, చూడండి.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, I am Monish Mokshagnya. Welcome to మా బడి మా గుడి. Today I want to unbox the new Crompton air cooler ozone air desert cooler. So first I will show the advantages of Crompton. As you can see here, it is having 190 watts and it will come up to 1 year warranty. And next we will see the features of Crompton. Okay friends, now I will show the features of this air cooler. It is inverter compatibility. It is having an ice chamber. It is having 55 liters tank capacity, motorized lowest movement, and the main thing is low energy consumption and honeycomb cooling medium. The honeycomb cooling medium means the cool comes like honeycomb. And this is very important one, which is low energy consumption. Okay friends, as you can see, the wood-like structures the both side of the cooler. The air goes into it like this and comes fresh and cool air from these blends, which is very important for our health. And as you can see the switches here also, this is for speed. As now it is in off. If we want in high speed, we can keep like this, and if we want in medium, we can keep in 2, and if we want low, we can keep in 1, and we can off it. As you can see here, this is the functioning of the air cooler. This is in off. If we switch on one, if we keep in 1, it will come straight from the blends, and if we keep in the second one, the air will go left, right, and also it will come straight. If we keep in the third one, it's only swing. It comes from right to left. Friends, this is the air cooler ozone 55 Crompton. Now let's start from the top of the Crompton air cooler. Here, as you can see, this is the ice chamber. In this we can keep ice, crushed or normal ice cubes. If we keep them in this box, the air will come so cool like air conditioner. As you can see here about the ice chamber, it is prolonged cooling, everlast pump, 4-way air deflection, motor with overload protection. As you can see the water inlet here, we should pour the water from here, and this Crompton ozone 55 is having a 55 liters capacity. And if you want to see the water level, you can see here which is minimum, which is low, medium, and the max. If we pour the water one time, we can use it for a long time. Okay friends, now I will show the functioning of the Crompton air cooler. As you can see the speed, I will on it to 3. Now the air is coming, you can have the sound. And if I keep 1, as you can see here, it is only coming for one side. And if I keep in second side, see the inside one is moving. And if I keep in the third one full, it will go to right and it will go to left also.
Swinger.
Yes, the swing will go right and left. And if we want to make it up, we can make the blends upside and downside, in which way we are very comfortable. See, in this the swings are moving. If we want less speed, we can keep in 2, which is medium. And if we don't want speed, we can keep in low. See, you can observe the sound, and we can off it. This is the functioning of Crompton. Wow, see how cool it's coming. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel మా బడి మా గుడి. If you like this video, please comment too. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel మా బడి మా గుడి. Like and